channel. It's your girl Brandy Gibbs and I'm back on your screen, and today I have something fun for you guys. It's my monthly favorites for the month of November. So if you want to see what I've been loving, just keep on watching. Okay, we're gonna start with this bad boy right here. This is my favorite. This is what I use on an everyday basis. You guys know, if you don't know, I am from Chicago, Chi-Town. It's cold right about now, and you're gonna need this in your life to lather up or to smooth all over your body, because honey, if I don't have it, I will be rusty, and don't nobody want nobody rusty. You hit those elbows, those knees, them feet, them hands. This right here, I'm almost out. So over the weekend, I'll probably go back to Walmart, because I like to go to Walmart. It's cheaper, and I'll get it. So let me put some on right now. But I like to go to Walmart, and I would get it because, like I said, it's cheaper. And it helps with being ashy. I don't like to be dry, so this has been my friend. It is called Aquaphor Healing Ointment Advanced Therapy. And sometimes, I'm gonna be honest with you, sometimes when I wear my my wigs, like in the back, I don't like when it's like rubbing up against it. So sometimes I put some of that and just rub it in my scalp, just where I want it to heal. So yes, now my hands are ash free. Okay, so let's move on. I just purchased one of these. This is the Instant Control Edge and Braid Gel. This is my favorite gel. I am natural, but I need this to, you know, put on my edges from time to time, especially when I'm doing those wig reviews, and if it's like a headband wig or something like that. This right here lays your edges down as if you got a relaxer. So check this out. You can purchase this on Amazon. This is available on Amazon. It's not expensive, but this right here is bomb, you guys. This is like my third one. I have one at work, which I think I'm all out of. I have one sitting over there on my desk, and this is the one that I just purchased from Amazon. Next one, when I'm wearing my wigs, I like to use a moisturizer. This is also from Amazon. It's the Repairing Essence Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and it says it repairs in minutes. Penetrating moisturizer, strengthens hair, silky and smooth shines, especially suitable for hair that's dry and brittle, by relaxers and perms and coloring and harmful chemicals. And I'm all the way down to here, so I need to re-up. But I like this moisturizer. It does moisturize my hair, especially when I'm putting like the braids in my hair. I do put this on, and it works really. Let me show y'all how it comes out. It looks like a little lotion, but it's a cream, and it has a really nice smell. It's not loud or anything, but it has like a clean. We have this bad boy. I just took this out the shower. This is the Dr. Bronners. This is the 4-in-1 Peppermint Organic Sugar Soap. This right here is bomb. It cleans every area of your body to make yourself clean. So I use this on like a towel, maybe 1 or 2 pumps, and it'll lather up. I'll use this first, and I'll just lather up my whole body, and then I'll go in with that Dial. Is it Dial? Yeah, Dial, the antibacterial Dial, the white bar. That's my favorite too. So with this, and then go over it with that, it's just a winner. So I'm gonna put that on the floor. Okay, let's move on. For removing mascara. Okay, so I received this in a glossy box, and you see that I'm almost out of it. Matter of fact, I am out of it. This has been like my go-to. I like this. It's a great micellar water. It's called Micellar Magic from Tarte, and it's a makeup remover and a cleanser, and I just cleanse all my face, and it's been my friend. So I'm out of it, so I can toss this. But I just wanted to share with you all in case you're interested in it. I done moved on to what I'm familiar with, and I showed that in my last vlog. So if you want to know what I'm talking about, check my blog out. Okay, when I wash my face, I use this. This is the Dermalogica foaming wash. I mentioned this a lot on my channel. This right here is the bomb. It helps because it is a breakout clearing foaming wash. You need some kind of foaming wash, some kind of acne fighting agent on your skin, especially right now we're wearing these masks. And for me, I'll get bumps. My bumps be big, y'all. It just be hurting. I just cleared up this one right here on this side. It hurted so bad. But I've been using this, and I was faithful. And there's another product that you guys might want to run out and get. But yeah, this clearing, this is by Dermatologica, and this is the Clear Start Breakout Foaming Clearing Foaming Wash. Let me show y'all so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. This right here is bomb. Okay, I had this for several months, and I first heard about it through Kyra Omnique, and I think I ordered it. I've been hearing about it, but then when she said it and she said it worked, I was like, you know what, it might work, you know. And at the time I ordered this, I think it was on the Walmart. It was on the Walmart website. It was like $32, and this is called the Vanish PFB Chromabright. So what this does is it brightens your skin. You get ingrown hair relief, especially when you're shaving or you're waxing. It's waxing and razor bump. You get waxing and razor bump free. So if you get like a wax or razor bump, or shall I say, if you get waxed or if you shave in that area down there, you might want to do like a clear coat over it and let it dry. Kind of like fan it, and you won't get any razor bumps. Even if you do it underneath your arm, you won't get any razor bumps. And check this out. I even use it on my face to take away this bump that was right here. So in 2 days, that bump is gone. So you'll see it, it'll be all big, and then all of a sudden you just wipe that on there. Make sure you clean that area. Swipe this on. It looks like a little liquid deodorant, just like that. And I swiped it on that bump, made sure it's clean, and in 2 days it was gone. So this also is a cool blue roll-on. This also a cool blue roll-on, and it's for men and women. And it looks like that. If you want to screenshot it, let me bring it on in so that you can see. Hopefully, there it goes. So you can screenshot that. And yes, you can use this on your face. It says use on face, neck, underarms, legs, bikini area for maximum benefits. Wait 24 hours after hair removal. For dark spots, apply only once daily. Do not wash off. Results may take up to 2 months. This works. This is like heaven sent. Thank me later, y'all. Okay, for makeup, when I'm doing my videos, I mainly will either use this here foundation, and this is from Maybelline. I try not to use the real good stuff that costs a lot, you know, because it's just a waste, because I'll usually put it on and take it right off. And like when I'm going to work, I haven't been wearing foundation. I just been wearing like concealer, and this is like my favorite concealer. This is an extra one that I have. This is by Maybelline, and it's called the Eraser Instant Age Rewind, and I'll use that under the eye. So I'll just use it under the eye, on the lid. I'll blend it out. I'll put some of my favorite setting powder, which is a translucent honey. This is from Laura Mercier, and I'll just put that on top of it. Make sure I do my brows, sweep it off, and I'm good to go. Make sure I have some mascara, and honey, I'm in there. But yeah, I've been rocking this, especially in videos, and this one as well from Rare Beauty. So this one I'm in the shade Classic Tan, and in the Rare Beauty I am in the shade 400. I have a love-hate with this because sometimes I feel like it's a little bit oily, so and it's really sheer, so I would have to go on over it like twice. But yeah, this, I mean, these two were like what I've been using. So, and as far as a highlight is concerned, MAC, I don't know if they still sell this, but it's the golden bronze. It's from MAC, and it's a very pretty bronzy highlight. Put that top back on there, and I'm gonna swatch it so that I can show y'all how it looks. But it's just a really pretty bronzy. So if you see that, you could just imagine how it would look like on the face or on the décolleté area. So it looks really nice. I was gonna mention this, but this is my favorite. It's too sheer, you guys. It's from Rare Beauty, but it looks really pretty. It does, it's just, it like seems like it breaks up underneath the eye, dissolves. I don't know. It'd be doing something funny with me, so I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or what, but I just wanted to mention that. And we're almost done, y'all. My favorite setting powders, I love the way this just sets the face. I've been using this a lot. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, And this is Party All Night, Stay All Day. If you don't have this, you might want to get this. It just makes you feel like your makeup is complete. Your makeup is not complete if you don't spray it, you know, on your face. But it's a really good product and I like it. And yes, I will repurchase it again. I feel like I'm talking a lot. Okay, so then we have lashes. These are my favorite. These are like my favorite go-to. If I don't wear those, these right here, I'll have these on. These are from AliExpress. These are my, like, what I call my YouTube lashes. They're really big and voluminous, and they are from AliExpress. They're just a random lash, like a 3D lash you can find. I think I linked it one time, but I'm gonna try to find a link and link it down below. But they're like the 3D mink lashes, and they were like $1.86 per pack. And yeah, that's all I can say about them. But you can find these clusters at Walmart, and these are like your everyday lashes. These aren't everyday. I mean, where you think you're going in this pandemic with these on? Nowhere. But I just wear them for video purposes. I used to wear them out when I would go out, but to work, no buenos. So far I've been buying a lot of perfumes. If you checked out my vlog, you would have seen it. And yeah, guys, I've been buying a lot of perfumes, but this time I found a love, and I am madly in love with this. This is the Signorina, and this is Misteriosa, Salvatore, Ferragamo. And look at the bottle. It's pretty. Let me try to like clean it up a little bit. But look at the bottle. It's so pretty. It's black with the little cute little ribbon on the side, and then you have your little top. You just pull that off. This smells so good. Now, if you don't know me by now, then you don't know me. I love a nice, sweet, warm, come here, let me give you a hug type of smell. Although we gotta give each other 6 feet. But y'all know what I'm talking about. This right here is just that warm, loving fragrance that's kind of like on a seductive side. It's real flirty, and it just smells so good. I love it, you guys. And I go in when I wear this, and I probably be choking some people, but I don't care. I love this fragrance, and it is bomb. So if you see this in your TJ Maxx, because yes, I did find it at TJ Maxx. I'm looking across the room, I found that they had the big huge gift set, you guys. It was in a red box, a bigger, I think it was like 3.3 ounce, and then they had the smaller one and the lotion, all for I think like $49. So I snagged that. I had to get that. But this right here is also from TJ Maxx, and it looks like that. And my second favorite is Juliette Has a Gun. This is like my staple perfume. It just smells so clean, so fresh. Like I know what I'm doing type of smell. It is so good. Oh my God. This is another one. This is another banger. And I keep buying these perfumes for the purse, like the purse perfumes. I need to buy a big, or maybe somebody will gift it to me for Christmas. I don't know. But this is another one. I like scents when I could just smell it right off and be like, this is the one. This is the one. And I took a chance because I actually purchased one. If you see my vlog, a couple of vlogs, my friend Keisha, she was testing out some perfumes that I purchased, and just, you know, getting her opinion on it. And I might give me some likes, give me some thumbs up, because I want to have my brother Corey test out some new perfumes that I received, and some old perfumes. So if you give me a thumbs up, or let me know down in the description section that you want him to do one of those videos, let's flood the comment section and let him know that we want him back on the video, so that he can do a perfume test, you know. Yeah, so that would be fun. But yeah, these are like my staple. I love these. And last but not least, this has been a long favorite. I'm going to try to chop this up as short as possible. This has been my favorite. This is the Airpods. Yes, my Airpods. These are my favorite. These aren't the latest ones, but I mean, they work pretty good. Although I did want to take them back to make sure that they're loud enough, because it just seems like one is louder than the other. So they're still under warranty, so I want to take these back whenever I can get an appointment with Apple and make sure they can check them out for me. But other than that, you guys, that has been my favorites. I thank you all for watching. Don't forget, comment, rate, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Hit that like button. Let me know that you enjoyed this here video. Let me know that you want to see Corey, my brother Corey T, do a perfume smell test with me on the next video, or maybe this weekend. We'll see. That's only if I get enough thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you guys. I love y'all. Bye.